Good afternoon, Jojan.
Yes, good afternoon, ma'am.
Can you tell me about yourself?
Yes, my name is Jojan Pitolioneri. I'm 38 years old. I live at Santolan, Pasig City
Okay, I have few questions for you to answer, so let's start. Why do you want to work as a maid?
because I earn an additional income.
Okay, why you choose Malaysia when there's a lot of other country?
Because this place is near from the Philippines.
Okay, how are you qualified for this job?
Because I know how to work this job, ma'am.
Okay, may I know what is your educational level?
I'm only high school graduate.
Okay, what is your recent experience?
Present experience is to teach the children in the church.
Okay, have you worked abroad before?
Not, ma'am.
Are
It's my
you, it's your first time to work abroad?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have experience of taking care of baby?
Yes, ma'am. My children?
How about elderly people?
No.
Are you willing to take care of an elderly people?
Yes.
Do you have any other special skills?
Cleaning house?
Okay. Are you willing to learn new skills?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with a family where the mother-in-law or any relatives stay together?
Yes, ma'am.
Currently, are you still working now?
No, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am. In Filipino food only.
Okay, like what?
Sinigang,
O-
adobo, and nilaga.
Okay, are you aware that you will have to do washing, cleaning, ironing, and cooking?
Yes, ma'am. All of that.
From all the house chores, which do you like most?
Washing, ironing, and cleaning.
Okay, if ever you were selected to work in Malaysia, who will take care of your kids?
My husband.
Okay, you are not allowed to use handphone during working hour.
Cell phone.
I repeat, you
Yes,
are
ma'am.
not allowed to use handphone during working hours.
Yes, ma'am.
You are only allowed to use handphone after you finish all the works and when going to bed.
Yes, ma'am.
You are strictly needed to surrender your handphone to your employer in the morning, and your employer will return back to you once you're going to bed.
Yes, ma'am.
If ever your employer finds out that you're abusing to use your handphone and it's affected your work performance, your employer will confiscate your handphone and you are not allowed to hold it anymore. Instead, your employer will allow you to call to your family 3 times in a month. You're only allowed to bring normal phone and you are not allowed to bring smartphone. Are you
Yes,
agreed for the terms and condition?
yes, ma'am.
Are you agreed to the rules and regulation for the handphone?
Yes, ma'am.
How many years is the contract as you agreed and understand?
2 years.
Can you describe for me your ethics?
Work, working hard in discipline.
Okay. How can you assure to us that you will work hard in Malaysia?
What, ma'am?
Okay, I repeat. How
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
assure to us that you will work hard in Malaysia?
I try my best to work.
Okay. Can you promise not to use a telephone without the permission of your employer?
No, ma'am.
I repeat,
Yes,
can
ma'am.
you, can you promise not to use the telephone without the permission of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to put on makeup but to dress properly while work?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to invite friends and relatives without the consent of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to ask for advance salary from your employer under any circumstances?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you really understand of the rules and regulation of the agency?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you pay any placement fee for you to come to Malaysia to work as a maid?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any history of sickness, example breast cancer or any other illness?
Yes, ma'am.
I repeat, do you have
Yes,
any history of sickness, example breast cancer or other illness?
yes, ma'am.
What?
May appendicitis po.
Okay, so you have a sickness.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, appendicitis.